Oh my fucking lord. Have a look out there. What do you think it'd be worth done up? We've got the builders on the way. Let's see what they think needs doing. I get 50% of the equity, 50% of the cash flow. This is the deal. Hi, Kevin McDonnell here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can source, secure, refurbish and refinance a property using none of your own money. A no money down strategy. So we're in my office. What I thought I'd do first of all is show you why we sourced this property, take you to the agents. We're going to collect the keys this morning. We'll pop around the property, meet the builders, get an idea of the refurb, and then we'll look at the project as we go through between now to completion. Before we get on with this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. So let's have a look at why we specifically purchased this property. So it's a 4-bed property, this one here with the brown door. We secured it for £66,000. Now this was on the market for £70,000. We've secured it at 66. It's £70,000 because it is run down, empty, vacant property. Sometimes you don't need to get a property 25% below the value of the house you're looking at, but you want to get it below the potential future added value. So a quick look on net house prices, which gives you the house prices of other comparable properties that have sold recently on the street, shows you the property that we've purchased was on the market for 70,000 in a rundown condition. We've secured it at 66, this property with the brown door. But just a couple of doors away is another property for sale at £90,000. Now if you look closely, the one that's 90,000 is a 3-bed. The one we've secured for 66 grand is a 4-bedroom property. So there's lots of room there to add value. A quick look at the calculations. If you do our purchase price, 66,000, divided into the purchase price of the other property, 90,000, that's multiplied by 100, that's 73% of the value. So the property we've secured is 27% cheaper than a property that's 1 bedroom smaller, just a few doors down the street. There is massive potential to add value in the house we've secured. So let's go get the keys. Looking for chocolates? Do you sell chocolates?
Yeah.
How do you know I wasn't all right? We're about to go grab the keys off the agents. I've just popped into a shop quickly, grabbed some chocolates. It's always good to give the agents something. Chocolates is always great because they can give them to each other rather than flowers that's just stuck on a window. Always do something for the agents. It really, really helps make them remember you so they bring you more deals. Sorry.
Hi.
Hiya. It's Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
These are for you.
Oh, bless you.
So,
thank you. And these are for you.
excellent.
Just a card there to say thank you for buying.
The property at the moment, obviously, we've purchased it for 66 grand.
Yep.
What do you think it'd be worth done up in really good condition?
Probably about 90-95.
1995.
Yeah.
Obviously, we've just got the keys of 66 Potter Street.
It will rent, definitely. So I say 4-bed between 550 and 600.
Excellent. Brilliant. That's brilliant.
No problem.
Cheers. Thank you. So this is the property. Let's go inside and see what condition it's in. So this is the property. As you can see, it needs a bit of work. So wallpaper, not too bad, not too bad. Second living room area, kitchen, bathroom. I think this was a repossession. They didn't confirm that, but it needed to be a company sale. So they said it was a corporate company selling the property, which generally means it's a repossession. There's a lot of stuff left. It looks like the people left quite quickly and not too happily. It's another reason why we've got it at a good price. So this is Einal. Einal works full-time with us now. Einal's main role in the business is to make sure all of our rooms are filled, to make sure all of our single lets are filled. So he does all the viewings, moving tenants in, moving tenants out for single lets and HMOs, takes care of all the properties, the maintenance, organising the build team. So Einal's job on this project will be to coordinate the project, to make sure that the electricians, the gas engineers, the builders know what they have to do at what points, make sure they've got enough materials so they're working and not here drinking cups of coffee.
As we said before, the goal is to get tenants in less than a month, so we are going to make sure that we get tenants in less than a month.
Awesome, that's what I like to hear.
It's doable.
1 month, he's got a challenge. He's got 1 month to get tenants in this house. We're going to be back in 1 month to see has he achieved that goal. It's yours now. We've got the builders on the way. Let's see what they think needs doing.
So therefore, you know, you want extra sockets. That's all right, it's centre there. But I mean, it's like, yeah, sorry. It's just stuck out to the wall here, I don't know what it is.
That all needs redoing, because we're going to rip the kitchen out and put a new kitchen in.
Cut it back to bricks, so you want kitchen rewiring, basically.
Bathroom, electric shower, or men's shower. If there's only one bathroom, we could do a men's shower, couldn't we, instead of electric?
Yeah.
But it's where we put it after go.
Knackered, if you look out on
Yeah,
back.
that's what the roofer is going to sort, isn't he?
Yeah, so to sort it out.
You need to do your magic.
Marv. Right.
Probably rip all that out.
Yeah. Are you moving that door to there, or are you leaving it there?
It's better to swap it, is it?
Yeah. Socket either side there, socket there. That moved over there. It's all lifted.
Above here.
Once all refelting.
It's not even closing anymore. This is gone actually.
We can save that floor, I think.
I
It
will
goes
not
under.
change the floor because this is better than carpet.
Yeah, and it goes under the cupboards. So I think if we can save the floor and put the
Power
kitchen,
washing, isn't it?
yeah, and then just put the
Just put a cartridge over
yeah.
it.
So then tiles, new kitchen tiles. I'm thinking we keep the bathroom, but we retile it and put a new shower.
Yeah.
Retile it, keep the bathroom suite because it's good.
They're quite nice actually.
They're nice, yes. It just needs to be made. The rest around it needs to make it look nice.
Yeah.
So the bathroom suite's really, really nice in this property. The problem is the tiles, the floor, everything around the bathroom suite makes the bathroom suite look not nice. You need to not talk so often when I'm doing them. This kitchen we could probably leave clean, rent it with the current kitchen. But I always like to rip the kitchen out, put a new kitchen in because it sells the house. When a tenant comes in here and they're moving into the property, the things they want really nice is a good working shower with strong power and a nice kitchen. This kitchen we're going to rip it out completely, put in a brand new kitchen because this is the room that's going to sell the property to the new tenants. How long will it take you here?
Potentially a week.
So we should do it in like within a month we should be ready, no?
Should be turned around and attended in a month, surely. If we all work together.
Yeah.
Look at that backyard.
What they're saying is not.
Oh my fucking lord.
Is not
Have a look out there.
big of a-
Yeah, but we can get a skip in the back.
Yeah, we can get
So if I order a skip today, you can get a skip in the back. Could you get a couple of guys to rip everything
Yeah,
out
sure, I
so it's
can.
ready for the builders to go? One of the challenges we've got with this property is access. We're straight onto a street where there's no parking. We need a skip. We can't put a skip to the front. When we go out the back, the old owners have filled the backyard with rubbish. So we're going to have to try and clear all that rubbish first, then place the skip so we could clear the house out. So that's going to be a challenge. That's where Arnold comes in. Hiya, it's Kevin McDonnell. I've got skips off you quite a few times. I need a skip at some point this week, a Friday if possible.
I've just texted them. He's on a call. I just texted them and sent them some photos.
If we can get away with saving this floor, it's nicer than carpet, no?
That's the carpet, yeah. I would
Yeah,
get the
so
floor.
I'd keep that floor. Arnold, you need to get gas, electric readings and water meter readings
Yeah, I
today.
need to get everything on basically.
Right, so that's an asbestos roof and some of the gutters will need replacing.
That's asbestos guttering.
Asbestos guttering too, that's why they need, so that all needs to go. It looks like the floor is sunk or something in there, but it might not.
It does look a touch. We can take them up, but I mean, I take paper off, skim it,
Right, yeah, and the ceiling.
seal it, definitely.
Right, so all the paper off,
Yeah.
reskim the ceiling, reskim the walls,
Yeah.
and then paint it. And then fix some of the floorboards, like those. Yeah.
And then carpet.
And a new door.
Yeah.
I'm recording you this time, Tom, so you know what I told you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah?
We're up in the
Say, look in the mirror.
This is a money maker, right? Yeah.
Rip that out, Arnold, yeah?
Yeah.
That's everything up here.
Yeah.
So not a huge, it's not, there's nothing like HMO stuff to be done.
No.
So when I collected the keys from the agents earlier, we asked them what they felt this property would rent out for because they do lettings. However, I run my own agency now because we've done so many deals in the area. Andrew is my business partner in that agency. He takes care of the day-to-day management. So I've asked Andrew to pop round and have a look at the property and let us know what he thinks this will rent for.
I think it's a really good size 4-bedroom terrace house in a good location close to the town centre. I think once it's done up to the standard that you usually work to, Kevin, you're looking around 575 a month.
The other agent said 550 to 600, around 575. I'd be really happy with that. So the builders have just left. There's a few main key points they've said they need to be done. So number one is there's some damp in this room. They're going to have to go back to brick, resin inject the wall and get rid of the damp. Number two is on the outside of the property, there's a flat roof over the bathroom. That's an asbestos roof. They've told me that they're going to have to remove that roof and replace it with a new roof. That was a cost I wasn't expecting. Number three, some of the radiators across the house, they're worn, they're rusty, they're leaking. We're going to have to get some new radiators fitted through the property as well. Number four is we're going to rip out the entire kitchen. So we're going to get rid of the kitchen. It is the piece that sells the property. So we're going to put a brand new kitchen in here, new cooker, areas for the fridge freezer, and make this look really, really nice. Number five, a lot of the electrics, they're sticking out of the wall on trunking. So we're going to have to get the electrics put back into the walls. We're going to drill it out, push them back into the walls and then reskim, reseal. On top of the obvious, it needs a full paint and decorate throughout. It needs new carpets to get this property looking really nice, ready for tenants within a month. This is not anything difficult, anything special. It is normal refurbs on the types of properties we do. We're looking for a property. It's ideal to have a property that's in this condition because it means that you can redecorate quickly and add value. There's nothing structural, there's nothing difficult, it's all cosmetic. The builders are telling me they should easily get this done within the next 4 weeks and we should be coming in on budget somewhere between 7 and 10 grand. Now if I get this done for 7 grand, I've spent 66 buying it. 7 grand, that's 73 grand for the property. A couple of grand on stamp duty and legals, we're looking at 75 grand. The agents have said it'll refinance 90 to 95 grand as a value. If that happens, I'm going to get all of the money that's been put into the deal back out. But remember, this is none of my money. A joint venture partner has given us the purchase money and the refurbishment money. Within 1 month, we should have this property ready to be refinanced to get them their money back. I get 50% of the equity, 50% of the cash flow. This is the deal. I said earlier we bought this property for 66 grand. If you look just 2 doors up, number 62, that's just sold at 85 grand. 19 grand more than the one we've bought. Lots of value there, lots of money to spend on the refurb and still be able to get our money back out. More importantly, a couple of doors up, the green door, so number 60, that is one of our properties. That property we purchased at 75 grand last year. That is 9 grand more than what we've paid for this one. Massive value in the property that we're going to be doing this refurbishment on. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about property investing professionally, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.